Now, what does it mean when a text message doesn't say delivered on the iPhone? So there are a few scenarios of what might have happened when you don't see the text delivered. If the message that you're sending is still a blue one, like you are part of the iMessage, then when it doesn't say delivered, then it just means that the other person has not received the notification of your message. It just means that their phone is, for example, out of power or in the airplane mode, or simply doesn't have access to the internet, so it couldn't receive your message. When they enable their Wi-Fi or turn on their phone and get access to the internet again, they are going to receive the message, and yours, the text will say delivered. They also might have blocked you, which is another alternative, in which situation you can try to send them a message, but if they blocked you, then there isn't really much what you can do, and you're not going to be able to deliver the message. Another possibility is that you are in fact sharing not an iMessage, but an actual SMS, cellular text, regular like an SMS message over your carrier, which is usually the green text message bubble. And those simply do not have the ability to say whether or not they were delivered or read. It just doesn't work that way. We just don't have that capability unless we use the iMessage. So hopefully I explain everything to you. If there are more questions you might have, leave them below. And if you like this type of tutorial where I just dive directly at the topic, then subscribe to this channel so you never miss another one like this in the future.